open the door.
So we are heading for the launching event of Zontes motorcycle. There's a ZT155U. That's my 15. That's my sister. So we are going to the launching event of Zontes motorcycle in Bangladesh. যারা BikeBD first impression video review দেখবেন তারা দেখবেন যে Zontes itself is a Chinese motorcycle brand. It is one of the most premium Chinese motorcycle brand because usually they make motorcycles that are over in the high performance segment like 310cc. They are very popular in Europe among the Chinese brand. Worldwide they have 125cc, 250cc, 310cc motorcycles, but as you know the Bangladesh regulation, you can only be able to have 155cc motorcycle. So they will be launching 4 models actually. 3 of them will be in their lineup. One of them is a naked sports bike which they call the street bike. Then there is a hyper moto which is a dual purpose bike or a touring bike. And lastly there is a scrambler or a cafe racer, whichever way you want to say. Price of the bikes will be a bit on the expensive side because though it's a Chinese brand, the bikes will have lots of features which you won't be finding in many other Chinese motorcycles. For example, the FI system is from Bosch. The dual channel ABS which they have is also from Bosch. Then the engine is very powerful. It produces near about 18.5 bhp from that 155cc engine. The reason of this high power and 16 Nm of torque is the engine, because it's a single cylinder liquid cooling engine which has 6-speed gearbox, but it has 4 valves. None of the Chinese brands so far in Bangladesh has 4-valve engine. Most of them have 2, maximum 3 valves engine. Then there is a build quality. If you see the bike face to face, you will find that the build quality of the bike is completely different. The swing arm of the bike is one of the talking point because the swing arm is made of aluminium. Then it has a slipper clutch. That's the first Chinese brand to have slipper clutch, and because it's coming in CBU, which in Bangladesh perspective you have to give lots of taxes. But the CBU tax is around 154%, so you can understand why the bike is that expensive at the moment. I hope I am on the right road. Yes, I forgot where the location is. There it is.